For homeowners or lifestyle farmers looking for their first small tractor, finding the right one can be a daunting task. However, New Holland reckons they've got the perfect machine that will tick plenty of boxes. New Holland has recently introduced the Boomer 25C subcompact tractor into the Australian market, which recently made its public debut at New Holland's dealer convention in the Gold Coast in July.
Previously, our smallest tractor was a Boomer 25, so similar horsepower, but it's a slightly larger frame, heavier footprint, bit more robust sort of a machine. This one's more designed to be targeting at people that need a light tractor, something that's not going to damage lawn and turf, garden maintenance and that sort of stuff.
It may be small, but the Boomer 25C is more than just your average garden tractor, New Holland says.
We can equip the 25C factory supplied with a front end loader with a 4-in-1 bucket, so it gives you the ability to gives you a bucket for shoveling mulch and soil around and so forth like that, but also has the adaptability to be a grader blade and a grab and those sort of attachments like that as well. The mid-mount mower deck is a 60-inch cut. It gives us the ability to do it's a finishing mower, so it leaves a nice cut, nice neat cut on the lawn. The backhoe attachment is an attachment that fits on the back. And we have a swivel seat, so it's the same seat. You spin the seat around, face rearwards to the backhoe, and you can dig your trenches and holes and move some soil around and so forth like that as well. It does also come with a Class 1 rear linkage, so any standard Class 1 implement, slashers, finishing mowers and the like, they can go on the back as well.
One of the most important things with an entry-level tractor like this is operating simplicity, and New Holland says the Boomer 25C has that covered.
It's very simple to operate hydrostatic drive control. It's a 2-pedal forward, backwards hydrostatic drive, comes in high and low range. We have 2 tyre configurations. You can get it in a turf tyre or what we call a industrial tread tyre, we've seen here behind us as well. Both options to suit the requirements of each individual customers.
A 1.3 litre 3-cylinder diesel engine powers the tractor.
So people that have a few horses and they need to move some bales of hay around, but they don't need something that's particularly high end at the price market or too much weight to drive on the turf, this thing fills that gap quite well.
New Holland is expecting stock of the Boomer 25C to arrive in the country by spring this year.